So it says, if a brother be overtaken. So they left this clause in there to show us how to manage this, right? To manage one another. So overtaken mean that this thing has overpowered them. It has got the best of them. Am I right about it? So sometimes, every now and then, one of us might fall into a situation that has us ensnared or trapped. And what I love about God, he didn't leave nothing, no stones unturned. He left, a solution to every situation in life. That there will be times that one of us might get overtaken by something. And here's the thing, they're at fault. So it's a fault that has overtaken them. Here's what I like. Now, he's talking to the community. We established that the church, the body of believers, we are a community. We are a kingdom community. We are kingdom citizens. And so this is how we respond to one of us when we get overtaken in some wrongdoing. When this thing has gotten the best of us. It says, ye, watch this, which are spiritual. So, Nene, this kind of messed me up because everybody in the community should be spiritual. So obviously, Paul knew that there are some in the community that are weaker than others. There are some that are within the community that's not strong. There are some non-spiritual members that are part of this community. And so to qualify you to help someone who has been caught up in something, you have to be spiritual. So there's a spiritual way that we handle situations when our brothers and our sisters get caught up in snares. It says restore. Restore means to bring back to their original state, how they used to be. Help them get their joy back. Help them get that smile back on. You restore them. Okay, it did not say you talk about them. See, we're talking about love. Because it did not say that we talk about them. And for the life of me, I don't understand. When we look at social media, it's so many people coming at different believers. They come at them. I mean, it doesn't make sense. And it's like mockery. It's like a shame because the world is looking at this community. And we give them something to talk about because we jump on their side. And then we start going after our own brothers and sisters.